Just making a quick video today talking about this exhaust repairs I'm seeing pretty often. This clearly had a exhaust sleeve clamp that has failed, and they went to a local auto parts store and they tried to fix it on the fly. Not really worth doing. You can see this didn't work very well. There's still a bunch of movement here. It's leaking exhaust. Probably cost as much or more than the correct exhaust sleeve clamp that just fits right on there and tightens up and works great. Yeah, so maybe this is not the best place to get creative. I can understand, I guess, if this thing fails on the road and you have to do something to hold it up, then you have to sometimes do whatever it takes. I understand that, and maybe that was the case here, but afterwards it's worth just ordering the right thing and fixing it yourself. So